Hi everybody, this is Frank Konteski here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2023 Aquila 54. This boat is listed here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, located in our marina. Right now we're up on the Flybridge, which has the glass enclosure. You do have the doors opened up. This seat does flip-flop back and forth if you want a rear-facing seat. As we make our way up, captain with twin co-captain chairs. Really nice helm setup here, easy to understand, not too complex. Twin screens with a Volvo Penta screen, your C-zone switching, your radio controls, autopilot, bow thrusters, and this boat even has a dock mate. Stepping down off the Flybridge steps, we have our Aquila tender on the back. This is a 14-foot with a Mercury. You will notice the expansive room in the cockpit. Huge table for family and friends, cup holders inside. You have entrances on port and starboard, so it doesn't matter which side you're docking on the boat. As we make our way around, we have crew quarter below. Right now we have the window opened up, so it's nice and breezy all the way through. 3 bar stools with a bar that pops up. This will tuck away. Let's make our way into the salon. One of my favorite things about the 54 Aquila is the standard size fridge and freezer that you get that you'd see in a home. Huge amount of counter space for prepping those meals, entertaining friends, putting out hors d'oeuvres. Storage underneath all those countertops. One thing you'll notice about Aquila, they pack a lot of storage into the boat for quick trips or for longer extended stays. Here's a nice shot of our panel here. Easy access, and the upgraded C-zone switching screen. Now we make our way into the living room. Really great area to sit down, enjoy with family and friends. If it's a rainy day, cold day, hot day, we can have air conditioning on, we can have our heat on. We're all tucked away with beautiful views. And then we have our nice big flat screen TV. Let's check out the master stateroom. Making our way into the primary stateroom. Full beam, which is fantastic for longer trips. We got great visibility through here. The owner did add custom blinds. One of my favorite features, I love having a fan when I'm sleeping. You have fans on both sides. We have nice flat screen TV with a sound bar, and there are some hatches above. Making our way down on the starboard side in the primary stateroom, you have a massive shower. His and her sink with storage below and above, and your head forward. On the port side, when you step down, you have nice countertop with storage. We have a built-in vanity, huge closet space forward, and some additional space on your starboard side. Stepping down on the starboard side into our VIP, spacious head and shower again, vanity with a chair right behind it. Really awesome feature is the built-in fold-down flat screen TV. I really like this setup because we can get around both sides of the bed. It doesn't feel like a VIP. This is a great sleeping area for a guest. On the port side, we have another stateroom with full head setup and shower. As we move our way forward, we see another vanity and a nice queen-size bed. On this catamaran, we are equipped with twin Volvo Penta D6s. You access them on each side. On the starboard side, you get access to your Kohler generator. For our final shot, we're up here on the bow. You can gain access on either side, or actually right from the Flybridge down. The owner did add a custom handrail here for ease of use. This is a fantastic spot to watch a sunset, finish your night. This 54 Aquila, again, is located here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. You have to see it to actually understand its magnitude. My name is Frank Konteski. Thank you for your time. See you out on the water.